Sometimes I feel lonely. Today, I want to share a quiet moment from my life. I look at my phone and see old messages and photos. They remind me of good memories, and I feel thankful for the moments we shared. During the day, I smile at people and feel peaceful in my own world. In the evening, I walk home and watch the sky change colors. The sunset makes me feel calm and relaxed. At night, I sit by the window and think about my dreams and the future. Feeling lonely does not mean feeling lost. I smile gently and believe that tomorrow will bring new chances. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson and happy learning.